Sanibonani ekhaya igama lami MK and welcome to enye episode Leadership Insight. Namhlanje ngiphethe ilegend. Akusi coach nje kuphela lengiphethe ilegend. Bambiza ngocoach Jukes. Alright coach.
Imnandi othiyami wena.
Ngimnandi coach lami. I know kuba ngaba abantu ababhaya yekazi around iJozi, iWest, East and surrounding iGauteng nje bayacava. Mara si international thina kayi and most of our followers wethu akayazi kuba ngaba ungubani. So can you briefly give us introduction yana nje ngawe usichazele bangaba ungubani ubuya phi and ijourney yakho ye-coaching uyiqale kanjani?
Okay, ngithanda ukubabulisa abalaleli bonke. Mina ngigama nguJukes Edward Seula aka Morino the special one.
Okay.
Ijourney yami ye-coaching awuthiyami. Ngivaye enye indlela yende blind
Sure.
la ngibe khona yabo.
Yeah.
And ngisibhale nabantu ababhaya and nama achievement wami kunabantu abanesandla
ne. Okay.
Which is ngakubalela ama-Hotman afana nabo uTamhlonipheni from Arsenal FC.
Yes.
Daschaba Hlanganani
Yes.
FC, Tiza Super King, Charles Mukwena FC TKZ, Thabiso Dubazana, Overland, Arlito Machungo, 80 members, Datuski
Okay,
from Aston Villa.
From Aston Villa.
Then Ninja Yamu Kidiosi from Aston Villa.
Okay.
Nkiti Kamalake. Bese kune Brian which is always motivated me, always on my side. O Buitumela Potsana but to fish is a super sport commentary lap.
Okay.
Yabo. So abachito ukuthi kulendlela engivayile. They've been there for me yabo.
Yes.
Even though abachita abanye besikhompyuter nabo which is ngikhuluma kanje. Lama-Hotman ngabalile lawo like uSchaba nomhlonipheni from Arsenal. Ama-Hotman ukuthi basasekhona egaming which is mina ngikhulela ngaphansi kwabo.
Okay, sure.
Which is there are people which is I'm willing ukuthi nabo babe sharp. Uthiyami, legend it was never be easy talk ngithola. And people don't know ukuthi why I'm winning like this talk.
Yeah.
There was a team eKaslam ngisakhula ngintwana bathi Wanderers.
Okay.
So that team leya talk bengibambela ikit mayodlala ngintwana yabo. So mina that time okay bengilithanda ibhola but bengana support from a family ukuthi ngadlala ibhola ngintwana yabo but kwinto ngisiphushela yona ukuthi ngithanda leya team le kanje ngisupporta ngivaya ngibaba DJs ngenza yonke into lezi yabo.
Yeah.
Kube ngelinye ilanga bawina itrophy. Yakhumbula kudala ithombe befudlula umanye uHotman ngebhasikili shoot ithombe uzosithola after 3 days or 5 days nani yabo.
Sure.
So bajita vele kufudlula iHotman la ba celebrate labashuta vele abashuta khona la. It's a pity isithombe sakhona nginaso but kunomuntu onaso lapha ekhasi. Khona la bengifuna ukushuta ngingene lapha ya but someone wangicosha lapha ngisakhumbula ukuthi ubani but wathaye shifter yabo.
Sure.
Kanti kulesi sithombe leso ngizovela ngithola baphakamisa itrophy ma emuva.
Yeah. Okay.
Lento le itrophy mina ngijwayele ukuyibona e-TV because that time i-team inama-tournament kakhulu Kaizer Chiefs so njalo i-TV Chiefs iyadlala trophy ngiyahala ukuyibona lento le nami yabona lento le manje same day bezile teamini ngisupportayo intoko yabo.
Yeah.
But angikhonanga nokuyithinta ngithola okay sharp okay ngakhula dog njengoba sengikhulile manje sengicoach yabo.
Sure.
Lento le yokuwina akusukuthi ngwina cause ngiprovela somebody ipoint cause competition yami igimi incompete nami mina compete nabantu ngifuna abantu bana ngithola. So I'm obsessed ku gold like yabona sikhuluma ngetrophy talk thiya mawubika itrophy ngibona kanje
Sure.
ngiyahlaya
Ifuna la.
vele ngihlanya yabo
Yeah, sure,
yeah
sure.
so kukanjalo nje yami ukuthi ngize ngifike la ngikhona nginama trophy angaka even though ibhola manje angisasento enye enjoy njenga before
Okay.
maqala
Okay,
because
yeah.
of I've achieved a lot dog I've achieved a lot.
Okay. So like bewabhaya ama-careers bewungawathatha mawukhula. You could have gone for science, you could have gone for abo-teaching, you could have gone for ama-taxi, mhlawumbe uyodrive ama-taxi. Mara you chose i-disc and wastika kwi-disc. Why i-disc?
Tell me lento le I think it runs in the family because of umkhulu wami
Sure.
eLesotho umkhulu wami waseLesotho bekane team I still have iphoto endlini laba i-tournament khona dala isithombe sakhona sakudala so ngiyacabanga ngikhule vele ngithanda ibhola even though bengana abantu bangangisupport ukuthi ngidlale to the fullest but I pushed myself.
Yeah,
I tried to play dog. I tried my best. I was good in football dog.
Okay.
I played until ngithole injury cap yami ijikiza ngapha. So ngavele ngabona ukuthi ayingcono ngiyeke lento lena. Then kwayizana ngihotman bathi uBaldwin T uMabuya waseFoslo.
Okay.
Yangithola. Ngoba uye umuntu ongilanda antwanazi because wangithanda ngiplayer wathi ukuthi manje yazi ngisenkhawathekile ngikhona ukuthi antwana sihlanganisa iclub uzocoacha eish iclub uHotman time you know ukuthi sihlanganisile iclub but besingana gama lelona le team ukuthi sothi
Okay, yeah.
uHotman umzeti yabo ZCC kwenzala ukuthi ngikwakhe sacabanga indaba igama usobiza i-team ngani
Okay.
kuvele iAlaska yabona lezi Alaska esiculayo
Sure.
zabo ze-CC nani
Okay.
yabona bekwama award
Yeah.
yabo ay sithi hayi Hotman ithina ligama sibize i-team ethu kwe-Alaska
Okay.
okay ngoba
And I remember back then bekunaleni phule beyigreen bebayibiza ngeAlaska nayo ebeyimnandi kanjani.
hayi manipilo uthamakazi hayi manipilo iniphi Alaska ngiyazi mina ngikhuluma ngale Alaska le becula
Okay, yeah.
okay sharp
Yeah.
Hotman athi serious ngithi ava umzet naye vela ay promote uthi avele siyenze ibe Alaska
Sure.
First tournament bezidlala eFoslo and we played against best teams because leya tournament leya doko the first time Overland mayiza izodlala eFoslo
For sure.
and Overland that time they were using ama player we Pirates like almost wonke player we Pirates because we were coach Pirates the guy was called by the name of Junior it was Junior
Okay.
but mark my with the tournament leya ngayithatha first time ngicala ukucoach lapha
Yeah.
ngithola
That's 2008.
2008
Yeah. Okay.
ngithola.
Sure.
Yeah. So ngayithatha leya tournament so after that ngasitshela ukuthi ayazini mina shoot umuntu lento angayenza but into engigood ngayo mina uthami I can't say I'm a good coach but
Okay.
I've got the eye for the player ngithola
Yeah.
ngikwazi spot the player
Yeah, sure.
ngithola mina ngavuka ekseni ngofonele uthilohlanganisa i-team sadlala ngo11 ngayenza lento le fast and the best ngithola
Okay.
so we won that tournament then kwaba ne separation neHotman ngithola
Yeah.
masahlukene kanjalo kuvele enye Hotman bathi uTamphuza yabo
Yes.
Tamphuza ungithola ngidlalela enye okay sengipholile idolo mara la ngabi sharp ngidlalela enye team bathi iSuper King enye Hotman bathi uThiza yabona
Yes.
so uThiza ile audience abo le player like Sister Monica abo no brother wakhe uShavi
Okay.
ngithola
Yeah,
because
yeah.
that guy he was fucking a good coach that guy ngithola so
Sure.
ngidlala ithimini yakhe ngidlala la enye Hotman Tamphuza ngicova indoda waza ngifuna ukwenza i-team la ithokoza ngithola
Sure.
team sine team etama nikhohlwa ngale team le yabo uTamphuza vele hayi sivayi sithokoza vele ngidonsa amajita azi mawuvavana amasoja wakho yabo
Yeah.
donsa amajita ndoda hayi bafethu azivani sodlala ngara ni Hotman ngala ithokoza ethi ufuna ukusivusa sibe grand isidlala ibhola in because the Super King now it was not doing good that time.
Okay, sure.
Sharp and recruited. There was a player, hell of a player talk, Kagiso Mashishi. He was playing for Moroka Swallows.
Okay.
And nomshana wami bathu uThepiso Makhulu Musona, which is the squad lesa besiphethe ama player a good. Shuthi hi background yami ama player like
Yeah.
mangmove nyara ngiphethe ama soldier. Then we played there Hotman the way belincanywa ngakhona dog la ngithatha laze la ngifaka nasespanini yabo ke sharp out tamphoza mnandi stone to squama ngiyangithola stone to squama ngaye team init azokala usquama vele sharp I team yethu manje yashisa ngana sikhompyuta nezinja kunama player lo before usijeka azodlala la kithi noma usibula amaloya badlala kule team lenye bathi we United yachinja ngoba uyi-TK Stars something like that khona la
Okay.
yabo tashuthi bekunyiwa ngala ngiyiwa okay la ngiyadlala ngiyakhoja shuthi ngidlala ngiyakhoja like ngithola ngiyingcini sengidava ngolo vele sasengikhoja yabo
Okay.
avele ngikhoja abajida mnandi Aston Villa iyadlala e-Forest tournament Aston Villa ngicavi mina ngaleso sikhathi leso yabo mina ngizazi usikhwama ngithola nakhona simthola vele yenye ibra yakhe bathi ushuzi yasethokoza yabo mangiyazwela bathi kune team Aston Villa but angaze ngayibukela okay sharp hayi sharp hayi mnandi usikhwama angidonsa athi mfethu oh hayi before sikhwama angidonsa nje yami idlala Aston Villa tournament ngihamba ngiyibukela so ngapha udonse le yaseplezini uOla RIP lo uThepiso ngitshela nje ngayo Makhulu
Sure.
yangithola
Sure.
udonse yona udonse uKG Mashishi wadonsa nenye out wathi umzeke usikhwama ubayisa kuphi kwaSton Villa
Okay.
angithi mase sifame sidlala ngala kuTamphoza so mathatha ama player angeke sale nathi sithi hayi yabo
Yeah,
avaya
okay.
bathatha kwenza lokuthi ngilanga le final ngefinal yabo yeAston Villa idlala ifinal yangisakhumula bedlala nani Exodus nani New Jack City yani New Jack City mina ngophi ngise Estonak kwabani kwalentona lo Mashishi le ngithi idlala iSwallows
Okay.
ngida
Yeah.
yangithola yimi uVincent Kobola umphumelelo ophengu uAce okay kuthiwe nasami sobukela uKG udlala ifinali eForest umuntu found out uKG uyodlalela in New Jack City yena kadlali kwaSton Villa ke yani sharp asihlale ku VIP namajita lapha bayithi half time eish lo manje yabona manje ukuthi ayisani inkinga ke manje ngara kune blood dog kunale yakwami ngara kwaSton Villa yabo suthi bayakhojela eground mina ngingene ngiyokhoja yaSton Villa first time ngiyokhoja Aston Villa half time ngiyobatshela ukuthi badlale kanjani because the team le New Jack City bra they've got cream dog baphethe yonke into emuva baphethe unyawuza dog uyangithola before bazomazi bathi unyawuza super baphethe super like is bra ngithi angitshele leya kwami ngithi hayi umuntu ovimba ngala uCobra Ibrahim you know nawe iHotman lakho so angeke ukore lo muntu lo ngamashoti wenza ini ngithola
Sure.
Wena Ntomeli uyenze ngikhoja yena kuqala kuphela i1 before ngizocoach i-team yamtshela yenza so thatha ibhola shama card back gayo silver core kanjalo yabo you know iscore kwaba engaka kwaba yi6-1 final Aston Villa wina 6-1 final
Yo. Okay.
Mama mina ngibuyela eStonak ngisabuyela eStonak ne ngiza endlini kula ehlahathi yabo ay ngifika endlini vele angigile ekseni kufika le uKirusi ngithola mayifika lo Kirusi yangigogotela lapha ngithi ubani itha umkiti wakuphi angiyazi phela iowner yaSton Villa ubani alathi ifike ithi 5 trata yabo
Sure.
5 trata okay ane sharp amnandi
Ayisho next.
yayisho next thathe ngiyabonga yavaya
Okay.
iva ngenye imoto basibesibiza ngesakafini angithola hayi awuthi mnandi ahle into zibhaya sharp angivuka ngiom dog ngoma okay ngisane team lesi engicoacha ngala iBombas yene ithokoza ke slow saqhubeka ngale team saqhubeka ngale team until sikhwama ngitshela mfethu ngicela uzosipana nathi go Aston Villa mina kwa Aston Villa zangisayine uKidos ilona ngasano sikhwama
Sure.
because we have that bond mina naye ukuthi yo like we are brothers like we namanje we still brothers yabo
Yeah.
athi usikhwama uzosipana nathi ngala okay sharp hayi ngibona ukuthi ngayibhombas man kuyantenga nyana manje lento yokucoach sengiya enjoy yabo
Sure.
ngithatha
More than ukuba se ground.
yeah yabo
Okay.
hayi because eground ngisana lento lelo kusengisana ukulimala futhi into esifana lezo yabo
Okay, yeah.
okay sharp ngithi hayi awuthingiye lapha hayi ngijoin vele ilona yaSton Villa mangifika ngithola mfana leyawuthami ngayithola lo Kidos uNaston Villa thola ukuthi ngithola ngisipane enye out eGrand engiunderstandayo yabo ukuthi sana ngifuna into so shothi umuntu ongaphizisa umsebenzi bangithi asilanda umuntu oso samlanda asilanda umuntu like yabona ukuthi hayi so wazi izinto zami zabalula and sawuna lo lamjita dog we won dog ngifuna ngabe iprofile yami Aston Villa
Yeah.
like we won we won a lot
Yeah.
that time yabo
Okay.
Until kufika Arlito uMamba Machungu yabo
Sure.
afika azosipana nathi kwaSton Villa nakhona uza ngobani ngosikhwama because banokubika usikhwama yena kulile team yakhe madlala eMakaus
Okay.
uza nosikhwama vele bafike vele sisipane eGrand neGotman and we still won neGotman because iGotman understand football yabo
Yeah.
iGotman ukuthi when you talk to him he can listen and he can act ngithola
Sure.
so there are players esiwasayinile because Aston Villa at that time it was like ngathi PSL player because besikhona ukulanda iplayer ihlala kubo silikhiphe kubo solifunele room sibhayile furniture lihlale khona libe Grand ngithola ngisilrentele ngithola
Yeah.
players like Sbuda Bamde Chizap Public Protector Sbuda Maloy
Aw.
usijeke ngithola
Yes.
understand ukuthi sibalanda kuphi ethokoza sibalimisa kuphi ngaye6 babeduzane nathi ngani ngepower ngilona yani ngepower kabani ngamamba
Okay.
nobani nayo Kidos
Okay. Yeah.
so i-team be powerful be strong kakhulu nje yami team so afika dog ndoda sawina uthami sawina strong sawina until kwane departure kabani kaMamba seka chief phela ngikhohlwa iMamba nje oyibona kanje is the biggest team khohlwa yasingakhulumi namanga so sisikhohlisa mamela it's the biggest team
Okay.
but iMamba izalo eAston Villa iMamba izalo eAston Villa
And Imamba, is it now bigger than Aston Villa?
yeah now yes that one is a fact dog and we
Yeah.
sibaleke
Okay.
ngithola.
Sure.
yeah mara yona izalo eAston Villa
Icos ne Pirates so.
kanjalo
Okay.
izalo eAston
Yeah.
Villa mina nama coach a coach iMamba like lokuqala maybe ngasho ukuthi mebubhashini ubani ufike kuMamba kune cabinet lapha igcwele ama trophy abawine yimi
Sure.
ngithola uthi
Okay.
some of them they are floating trophies you must win it 3 times yimi bakawine lama trophy lawo wathule nami mangiyosala kuMamba abathola ama trophy asesekhona kwetawo amandla wami madoda asasela
Sure. Thank you, coach.
so uMamba makavaya kwafika iAngel dog yabona uMamba makavaya kwafika iAngel yabona le Gotman lela dog ngiyacabanga mina mangiphethele la Gotman angeke ungenze next ngezana noma bangiphethe le Gotman lela kunye Gotman bathu Tuski
That was okay.
Tuski Masheling
Yeah.
ile bengikhaphile Vandag ngilethela
Okay. Yeah.
mamela uthiyama mamela nomtshito wa understand ifootball ngenye indlela nomtshito loya mawukhuluma naye dog uyakumamela and ngeke uzwe ngelanga li1 akhala ngokuthiza athi nina nenza kanje
Sure.
like in terms of finance ayenza uTagotman lela mfethu akuthi linenyuko ne
Okay.
alinanyo but linomqondo ngiyangithola le Gotman lela ngenjwile usipana nalo ntanga and after ukuthi uMamba avayi awuthiyami ayi sesawina lela Hotman lila
Sure.
ngithola
Yes.
sesawina whereby kwaba nama ukuyabona kule tournament bathi Soweto spectacular
Okay.
mara kune team yase Spirit uzibuza ukuthi kanjani iSoweto spectacular funa ama team yase Soweto kuphela but Aston Villa was invited first annual tournament yabo
Yeah, ukuthi izokala izogame mara.
yeah izodlala phethela noHotman Tatuski ngiyacabanga le tournament we professional lakhona ngazivaya ama team meeting ay7 before izodlala I tournament
Yeah.
le tournament we runwa abachito abakhona manje one of them uFatu ulapha ku PSL one of them angazi ulapha ku Sundowns angazi wenza ini abantu bebarana le tournament leya
Okay.
yangithola
Yes.
masifika kule tournament sidlale I first game sawina our first game masewina sidlala ne KFC so KFC I favorite team yase Soweto that time mina bengiyazi ukuthi I favorite team yabo
Okay, sure.
abo Shakes yabona bonke lama player lawa ngale sharp score 1-0 sele boma 7 minutes
Game iphele.
Game
Oh,
iphele.
Okay.
I-organizer ne
Sure.
yazithile awuthi kimi ithi ayo Thiam hayi 7 minutes iselata Thiam tough luck yabo hayi next tournament ungawazokubiza ivale out juthi yobha igawula mayibuya score 2-1 vile winile 2-1
Uyofaka 2.
awuthi 2-1
Okay.
simele finally sodlala indengeza sipale iphethe hayi icreame ngedog yo abo Vrpa
Yeah.
abo Baymont manje ama player ngisawakhumbula emabe eshisa sipale mawuthi abheka I-first game yabo bona bawine ngakhi 7
Yama goals.
ama goal 7-0
7-0 bebadlala nani?
badlala ne Soweto All Stars
Okay. Yo.
labantu cha bazodlala nami final mina ngizinile 2-1 nyane etiyedizi nyane 7 minutes
Yeah,
izodlala
7
abantu abawine
minutes, yeah.
7 ayi final dog icala hayi bra abachita babesupportile tournament abo Taschaba Mr Brown abachita ababhaya mfethu like ikasi beliphumile
Sure.
ikasi beliphumile ibhola belithando ngalesa sikhathi ayi manje indoda ngiyabona ibhola belithando ngalesa sikhathi okay sharp indoda first 10 minutes labantu bathi 2 ngithi yo le 7 ibhenga kimi
Siyakhala.
final ngithi hey 7 ibhenga kimi ay kisha bayimoshe ngento e1 bathi water break bra ngeke ngathi ngayistila something yana encane emaplane ngathatha ngathatshintshana nga 1 goal we done siwinile tournament
Okay.
mina confident that
Sure. Sure.
sesathi masibuya satshintsha nga 2-1 game iphela game sekusele ama second uthi game phela sayiqualize
Athi 2-2.
2 sakuma penalty sakwini tournament
Okay.
waya ku interview yase TV eTok
Okay.
ayishaya makeup no mina idlamini
Super Sport.
Super Sport 4
Sure.
ngayohlala phansi like makeup mina lana ngavele TV
Ngavele TV.
inca yeAston Villa
Thank you, coach.
Coach.
Okay, so Coach Lam, you've got ama trophies owathathe kwi tournaments out 25 to this date.
yeah
And you've got ama awards where best coach of the tournaments I4
yeah
to this date. Kambani yini secret yakho, like are you like winning ichukuthini kuwe as individual?
ngitshela Thami ukuthi lento ewinning
Sure.
mangicala ecaleni ngithe ukuthi lento okuwina ama tournament ngisane enga yangithola
Yeah.
yale trophy ngisasencane bengifuna ukuyibamba
Ufuna ukuyibamba le trophy that you couldn't. Yeah.
yayithola so le enga le ihamba nami yabona
Yeah,
mina
yeah.
that's why ngisho itija yami angicompete namuntu ngisicompetela nami yabo
Sure.
so mangwina yabona Thami mina ngithanda iglory dog ngithanda ukuthi like ngithanda ukujabula nto mangwini tournament like ngazi ngifila kanjani aba noma
Yeah.
ngiropa imali ngichairman ngwini tournament ngiba grand Thami yabo mangiba mnandi Thami because angisule mjito grade ukuthi hayi ngifuna imali ayikho ichairman engingacabana nayo for ngenxa yemali ngithi imali angibhadali
Okay.
yabo if ngekho grants ukutshela mara spali wanga yabo makulora naye phuma kuwe
Phuma kancane.
ngithola
Yeah.
phuma ku so the way dog ngicine seswingwina ngakhona kufike lesikhathi leso ukuthi ungasabi nenjabulo ukuthi ngwini tournament
win tournament okay
like
akusay
uyabona uya so wazi ukuthi la ngizowina like ngithola even though I'm playing a big team because nginalento ngi confident enye mina uthi I remember sidlala I final kumamba uShaka
okay sure
and it was live on TV dog banginterview lapha SuperSport ukuthi what can you say Cry 11 le team engizodlala nayo I told them ukuthi I don't know Cry 11 mina but they know me, they know the team members. But mark my wait, it came my pal.
Yeah.
I'll be here with silver way. So I'm going to be trophy mangbuya la.
And that's exactly how it happened.
Yenzekala kanjalo. Confident ngina ile. Ngithola I never watched Cry 11 angazi ngayibona ngithola maybe they are good than us but because we confident nginayo ile la ukuthi igimi ngeke uyikhiphe kimi.
Yeah, ne.
Ngithola ngile coach ukuthi ngadlala nawe una 1-0 ne sele 10 minutes bese ngibamba ngesandla ngithi what a good game let's see next time but 10 minutes in ngakora 3 goals bese ngibe disappointed I ngicabanga mina lento leyo ukuthi bangangikora but mina sengitshela umjitalo ukuthi ayazi ngisengwinile like ethola lento enginayo tham leyo igima ngikhona ngazi ukuthi buyaphi nami yabo so haya ngicava ngeke ngitshele ukuthi
ingozi coach
ngitshela ukuthi buyaphi
yeah so ucoache amateam amakhulu such as 80 members vele ne uyezile $1 for la team la now let's talk ama figures nyana if ever you're comfortable to say i-team so engilicoachile maybe kwi first tournaments engizidlalile nyenze imali so for leyo team leyo angithi into yakudala it's not like sibheka ama banks wabo manje sure
mina okay Aston Villa okay if you can see ama trophy lapha you can surprise more than maybe 1 million or 1.8 ku Aston Villa manganga ama trophy
sure
but ku 80 members dog
yeah
ngenze history akekho umuntu ngisamfuna coach ozoyenza lento leyo dog ngiyangithola
sure
that's why mina manje ngisazibiza ngecoach sengibiza ngelegend sengilegend manje indaba zokuthi ngizothi ngifike kumamba I think it was March or April lapho ngine umamba ngine 620,000 nga 67 days
yeah
hayi 3 months
yeah
67
days 67 days
620,000 and plus 5,000 yaka scope nga-add lapho ngiyangithola sileya ngibali yazi ila tournament ilona imali ezincane but sengikhuluma ngaleya which is ngathola coach of the tournament kuShaka 5,000 rand ngiyacabanga namanje ayikho coach engathi kuyathola 5,000 coach of the tournament abafuthi bazibambela ama 1,000 nyana 1,000 coach of the tournament mina 5,000 open category bra ngiyathola
sure
so I'm the only one to kuyenza lento leyo then mangisuka kumamba aziwe bafethu ayatala sihamba lendlela mangisuka kumamba umamba ngisuka ngabo August ne
okay
2023
sure
ngasuka angiseke ku Aston Villa ngithi and abafethu bangikwatela ngihambile dog ngihambe phela ukuhamba kwami le move leya surprise abantu ababhaya yabo nami ayisane ngisabe nokubatshela abafethu nyavaya babona sibabona ama headlines uthi hey mjaka nanga 80 members yabo sharp
okay
nangibuya kumamba athami that's why ngisho lento le igimi njami le yabo and abantu bangafuni ukhompyutha nami because ngikhompyutha nabo yabo isidomele somhlola iDecember festive tournament
umuphi unyaka
2023
okay sure
angithi ngisuka kumamba kwango August lapho I am coach until December
okay
ngisihlelele ngivela neBrayami siphethe into zethu sirelaxile sobukela ibhola kuzodlala yona ini imamba G-sharp commentator yakhuluma lapha ama team angeni labo bani ngiyeza ukuthi Aston Villa ingenile hayi ziyashaya sobuyela igame angisho ukuthi no coach
Sure.
so kuvele enye out iNdoda Aston ichairman ya tournament iNdoda Aston Villa phela ingenile and manje ayikhiphanga imali ngithatha yami ungangifaki lapha ngisikhoach Aston Villa mina uyazi ukuthi bengicoach imamba namanje sasirelaxela ngicela ungangifaki lapha
kulezi yawo ifuni le politics
hayi ngifunela le angirelaxile alo ngisiphuzela amanzi wami alama sewangena enhloko manje yabona manje imambo yadlala manje yawazi lamazwethu musa ayimambo lokhu yadlala ayi ngilande le Hotman le iHotman bathi uElia yabo Rampark yase le Hotman Villalisa ise Villalisa hayi Villalisa kupere ngase Jimiston man ayi ngizoyikhumbula indawo yakhona
Ellis Park so
Ellis Park after Ellis Park la emkhukhwini la ngasemkhukhwini la
okay emalahleni
Ramaphosa man Ramaphosa iHotman se Ramaphosa England iNdoda man ithi ngifaka imali ngithi yazi iHotman ayifaki indoda yizwa ngithi umuntu afaka imali after 2 days kuyadlalwa ne
sure
nami ngikhulumiswa ukuthi lento esengifakile emzimbeni nasengqondweni ngithi afaka imali ngiyasola ngithi yo ngizeni ichairman Aston Villa that time ayicava uKilos yabo ayicava ukuthi ngithe kufaka imali lapha ayi nesharp after 2 days team yadlala ngivuka ekseni angivukile TV ama player ndota ngithola ama play 3 nyana yabo engwathola ifoni noma ngeno ngithi ngento sodlala ngevila awu sobuyile kuvila yabo ngithi hayi sodlala kuvila ngingawari yini yabo ngithola 3 nyana 4 nyana mangivulele iTV kudlala iPhillies games 6 noma 10 ngibona ama player adlalayo lapha uma 4-5 ay fonele nyawo thami ngithi kick over athi antwana ngila Aaron Dasva sethembisa ikhamba ngithi Dasva shaya imoto sethembisa sifika lapha igame leya iyaphela thatha lama player lawa sharp sadlala lead thatha lama player sifaka emotweni fike lapha tshela abashida ngithi azini si 8 manje uzothola 2 players yafike le 2 players leyo sharp abajida benze 11 mnandi ngicela siwinele igame e1 kuphela leya namhlanje because lapha into emnandi ngase somhlolo si3 egroupini mangawini igame e1 mfisuni so safe lenye sosifunela idraw nyana yabo
okay sure
siwine le yokuqala atshela amajida ngathi njengoba siwinele iyobe kwifinal yethu ngiyangithola so dlala ifinal la kule tournament ngithanda ningathandi amamela uthi bengidlala nenye team engithanda ukudlala nayo mangidlala ama final izone 3 yaseKaslam
okay
ngidlala nayo ifinal sabahlaba 3-1 ngicabanga ya 3-1 no 3-2 3-1 khona lapho sayithatha
okay
final la khona futhi nge2024 nge6 saka January azange be December yabo okay sharp i-team ewinayo mele iyodlala ama qualifier we champ of champ ne
sure
okay sharp ngishiya Aston Villa in hanging ngithi abafethu azini ngizobuya nginibona uvalente ngapha yangifu uvalente senisikhathi ngathatha ama trophy dog apha uthabisa udubazana sinikile intshiship ethu eyakudala eGrand Hotman elisharp yabo
sure
tshela abajidi ngithi abafethu azini ngizobuya kini athi uncedisa ngale Easter ngivaya ngidlala ngicoach overland ngibathathele i-tournament ngisamelwe ukudlala ama qualifier 1 we champ of champ ngani ngeAston Villa ngiyela back kuphi kwaAston Villa abafethu ayiqale futhi lento le futhi asibalandini tournament le ama qualifier wase Davidton eDavidton yo hayi best tournament or best teams best tournament le yababa and yazi bathi umuntu uphunyukile hayi ngibonile ukuthi umuntu sometimes ebholweni saphunyuka because they were the likes of Scathulo COVID-19 izidlamlilo mlilo ama 2000 yithi ayilenye ngisayikhumbula ukuthi sayikhumbule lezi zinyanga sasikhumbula but awuthi ngiphumile la and ufuna ku number 1 uzomela istrand ne angiphumile njalo ngaba number 1 ngabadla hayi bafethu ngazidlela bona ngamnandi lo ngimapenalty dok nginela idea mina ethi ngitshele something script yami
sure zakala
mina I've got it twice endlini ipet lamb dok mina go slow dok amamela go slow but phambili ngizofika ngithola
yeah
sawina the tournament guess what iorganize tournament besidlala which is le sesomhlolo organizer khona usitholile 50,000 yamahala ngami mahala ukuthi qualifyile for champ of champ uthole 50,000 yamahala Khotman namhlanje usabamba ngesandla ethantwana wena winja ngithi hayi khuleka Khotman wena cina ube grand yabo because if ungayenzanga le tournament vele nathi bengeke silesiye champ of champ okay sharp survive le champ of champ i-team oqala eCatoras ngisho kanjalo yovele TV uChamp of Champ angikhulumi ngama Phillies games la you affiliate khona nina thina sithenga ngeTV silandiwe yamthola ngowina kwethu bathuzana izodlala and then we played there yamthola saba grand and kunento ngikhohliwe yabona ku ijeni yami yakumama ayintwana ijeni yabe beyinhle blind abana le ijeni le bentswemo blind because of ku masilapha kule squad sami
sure
into yangenza ngibe proud ngami ngithola 4 players bavele bathola ama team like ngithola imamba ngithola which is here igcine senza imamba ngathi ngithola because we managed ukuthi sambise 4 players Chila Mapoto JTR Blackberry JTR Neymar Ononuku JTR Lodi Mukaba Marumo Kalans ngiyamthola
thank you coach
leyo yi achievement engithi abale achieve ukudala ama trophy into ngifuna because at the end of the day we playing these tournaments for ama player aphumelela ephambili but the other mistake esenza futhi masibaphumelele sabalana sibalethele okushini ebhuqweni.
And I always ask myself ukuthi vele say I player seli professional selile uphinde ubuye uzodlala eground
which is I flop esenza thina
sona ningama coach
ngifuna ukutshela you le flop is the biggest one because of now asana a reason wasenza ama tournaments which manje tournament senzela ukuthi masingawini imali asana ndaba ngecareer abajita ukuthi
because now it reminds me of incident eyenzeke early this year eHuntersfield. I think bekudlala iCatoras Juventus kunye neSnake where iplayer leSnake li attack referee da and that was a professional player and enyizibuza into eyi1 ukuthi how come coach ayekeli player li professional ukuthi lizoba exposed kanjena given that lamchidelwana angaluza icontract yakhe and he can even get sued ukuthi aparticipate kuma games waselokishini whereas assign a contract le like abo coach ababhekelela ama players ngendaba ukuthi kufuneka ijojo vele
abona le ikhuluma nale incident yase Huntersfield football is game of feelings dog uboy was angry thola because of the decision ethathwe
ureferee
yena unguya ngayo ucanga ukuthi I decision is wrong uyangithola so ureferee naye kuya ngayo ucanga decision is right then and ucoach ukude nale incident le ngeke khona angayivimba in and untwana njoba usisho ukuthi his professional player but angithi ama player lawa via iTTC we can still play them because of they don't have that contract ukuthi angaze angasadlali eCAS nani unless ukuthi bamnika yona le clause le ukuthi endoda awudlala eCAS and akutshela as a coach now uvuma ukuthi azinayi umuntu so akadlali dala swalanda ama player dog akutshela time nabathi bangadlali ngithola azabonisa ukuthi hayi yabona so we need to respect that ukuze abajita babe grand uyangithola
sure
because le eqinisweni sibulala abajita umqondo because manje ibhola seCAS manje imali dog like once umuntu waba nemali ucabanga ukwenza i-team and once yenza i-team ucabanga uyobulala abantu uyobulala iArsenal yamhlonipheni uphini uma unama player akha loyal uJux nama player akha loyal uSichaba nama player akha loyal angithola
Sure.
wena uza ngemali uzothatha ama player ngemali then uyabona sekanjalo manje
Lokudlala ngesquad wena every time sure.
uyayithola into leyo
Yeah.
ayisafana secaleni azicaleni ibhola belisemnandi njengoba namahotman ngobalabo usitshaba nabo lona mina mangifuna iplayer kusitshaba ngimlanda straight hotman ngicela ngiboleke uJMM man uJMM abantu ababha bathi bambone ngamchaba nabanamanga abanye uJMM mina ngambona ngositshaba wafika ngositshaba ngehlangana nani la eSonhlolo
Sure.
but mina ngamlanda mouth to mouth without a cent weza la so guess what next time asengimfuna azokwenzakala seka abobani bani bamnika umalini
yeah
ngisendele i-screenshot se-2000 yebamsendele yona ukuthi ayodlala siyideza ukuthi kumele ngenzeni mina
kumele uthophe
angidlali la kanjalo
thopha
mina into eyogcina ngiyenza ukubhadala iplayer
yeah
ukuthi lizodlala ibhola because mathola icontract i-contract le iwondla yena nefamily yakhe hayi mina
yabo
ngithola
Sure.
ngisebenzisa imali yami futhi ngiyamnika kanjani mfethu
hayibo
ngithola so iplayer elizodlala kimi iplayer elifuna ukudlala ibhola hayi ukuthi eliza kimi lithi lizoyenza imali because of asithi ulanda iplayer dog ukuthi sifuna 1000 rand per game or in lo muntu uzokunikani lo because already sekayewini i-tournament then
uaffiliate ngamalini ayingaka ama games ezowadlala and if ever wonke ama players beyofuna leya 1000 because i-game vele ifuna ukuthi wonke lama player oyi10 or oyi11 la egamini a participate for ukuthi kuyokoro so wonke umuntu deserve 1000
uyayizwa lento but yena uyifuna wani yena special
yeah.
uthi ucanga ukuthi yena special awuthi uspecial ucabanga ukuthi yena special
special.
ngithola so awuthami lo muntu onjalo wazi ukuthi sekayewini i-tournament noma ngingadliwa yena ndoda u-on yena uGrand
Sure.
cabanga laba ulohuzuka nabo la mfethu abatholanga next and most of the time laba unabo la yoba spana ukudlula yena une moment yakhe leyo encane leyo azoyenza ukuthi okay team ingawina but hayi ukuthi uzowina isiteam vele yonke usibone ukuthi hayi umuntu lo uyithwele
Yeah.
mana sikade ukhipha imali so ngabona ukuthi amani ibhola man yabona manje selingenye indlela no
Sekuya-exploitwana anyway.
sengenye indlela mina nje ngikutshele something yabona if azangiyeka ibhola lapho ngasho ngiphinde ngiliyeke uthami yabo
sure
remember ngiyodlala le game ngiyodlala neMamba ngeAston Villa tournament bathi Moso eseSoweto
sure
quarter final yeah quarter final ngokuqala sihlangana noMamba bawuthami ngokuqala dog uyangithola
Sure.
Mamba phela ngokuqala Aston Villa neMamba bedlala ngo9 o'clock July or June bekubanda sipali yezo 9 o'clock bekuqwele ulamuntu khona abantu balithanda ibhola bekuqwele blood ekseni you know kwenzakalini kule game leya kula ngabona ukuthi hayi imali inamandla nginama player wami la kuVilla which is uKhupha
sure
mina uKhupha
Okay.
uRoro Ginja ne awuthami everyone knows ukuthi labajita lamaplayer adlala kuJukes adlala kwaSton Villa like ngithola nama ngiplayna around bona
sure
ngithola
okay
shoot ivik lonke lo saringa namajita hayi so on hayi unandi Friday wesipart Friday 11 o'clock last call yami namajita sharp wajita bahlala eduduza mina ngisespread ekseni kumele ngivaye ngobalanda ngithola yafona ekseni ngama 5 amafoni avaliwe hayibo amafoni avaliwe 6 o'clock amafoni avaliwe 7 lapha 7 phela isekho isikhathi phela manje
yeah
isekho
udlala ku9
hey isekho hayi ngithi hayi kilos angeke siduduza sovela mali laba kilos uthi asivange ngithi hayi asida bekela sifanye hlanu sabajida mnandi hayi asithu team ihlangana sisowethu cha uthiyami kula ngabona khona ukuthi ibhola linavar ay sawo mapha ayiyavela iMamba naye hano ngophisa mangijiya ngithi those two players ama opponent wami labo ngafonela
let's both baba ngekhona ungazithola
mamela ama opponent wami
yeah ama player sure
mamela ama opponent wami angayi kuMambas Ngiyacabangela ngishaye mina umqondo shifta kancane ngaphuza amanzi abajida team bayibona ngabetshela ukuthi sisukani lapho because already seshaye mina umqondo ngiyabona ngathi sisukani lapho yekelani labantu bayekeleni that game it was the best game engayidlala dog but we lost 2-1 but I was proud of myself kula ngibona khona ukuthi bayangisaba
sure
kula ngibona bayangisaba no bayangisaba
so
ndo makathi kuwina they were celebrating at bathatha final ngathi yi final abanye bayithathe ke final le yala tournament ngibona lapha and after game uPeri ngakhona ngavana nabo ngava coach Bashin Xola Mlambo uDebo Xolani sakha bomzizi bekunomshado bekune-Phathorino ngabloma nami ngicela ukudliwa ngabloma nabo nabayipha ngoyipha ngithi Bashin ngobloma naye sishayile into zethu sirelaxile uyangithola baba Stefan ngikwatanga yazi bathi bangiqinisa thi bangiqinisile ukuthi ayazi nami la ngenswemi wena ungajabula ukuthi ungidlile ne but mina ukuya ngama ngidlanga because one of those players scored a goal kula wami la amaplayer wami lawo wathathile one ukorile ngithola umunye ukorile so ngabona la ngathi bafethu akusasizo lokuthi ngingicomputer abantu because uBashin bengithi i-coaching a-computer nayo but after lento leya ngathi ayisa-compete nalo muntu lo phela ubonisile ukuthi uyangiqwaya and ngikhulume enye into baba-captureile ngithi ngama-something yana vele hayi abengeke labo bahambe mahhala khona dami bathi bashilo naye 5 grand nyana 5 grand nyana
mfethu sure
ayithile ngingayikhulumi ngizakwatisa abantu
okay mara ngendlela iperformance yakho like egaming I bet given that zibhazi into sizibona nathi masifika emagroundini as abo cameraman abo coach baspanisa amakhemi ekuyathakatha egroundini ziyasipana izinto yabo uke wazibona wena ku situation where sewuspanisa ikhemi be it ufaka ivaseline kwikhokho or ufaka ingcambu uyahlafuna or phugeza ngamanzi ana in like do you do izinto ezinjalo or you mentally prepare for a game and then you go a game
mina I mentally prepare myself you know yazi lento yomuthi enye into ukuthi maybe for my side ngiyi-one
sure
ngasho ukuthi maybe ingangisebenzela but for i-club yebhola I don't think imuthi ungasebenza because of mina if umuntu bosebenza ngabe South African World Cup angazi ngabe uyangizwa
no ndikufumene
ngale nine province le inyanga ezingaka sesiloku kuba ne-World Cup eSouth Africa umuntu usebenza uthiyami so lento umuthi uyaphuma kuyo uthiyami umuthi ingqondo uthiyami yabo
so ucoach Twitter ukuchallenge coach Twitter and then his suggestion was a tournament ye West versus East and then when I was obumele amajita wase East according to i-challenge yakhe and then yena obviously uzobezwakala ne-West uthini kuye
mina ngiphendulile nje ngeBramcons call ema-groupini yabo
sure
ngitshilile ngathi challenge accepted dog mina hayi angithuka iPriam leya dog le iPriam mamela yabona Twitter awuthi mina the way he's doing good manje dog mina ngihappy for yena ngithola ngikhumbuza mina mangisawina like sekani une habit enhle yokuwina like he's winning man like akudluli month 2 months angakawini yabo so which is fit habit grand le yabo so out grand which is mina vele masingambambana pound to pound engayijabulela blind and manje umoshe ngokuthi athi East ne West because mangathi East that means mina ngenza isquad and ngayenza isquad ngiyombulala yo ayomlahla phansi
abobani ongabaphatha vele if it were up to you
ayithamba zomkwati ezoqanisana ama-player
okay le
zoqanisana ama-player mara
no kubajayi
bona babhaya uthiyami istrand iphethe i-quality yonke quality
because I've heard even amanye ama-players uTwitter awaspanisayo basuka yiye kasi yabo I wonder what's going to happen in the game. Are they going to play for West or are they going to play for
bafuna baye ku-West
no
angithi bawina bangali bafuna babe ku-West yazi into emnandi ngami yazini nama-player lawa adlala ku-Twitter most yabo ne ngakhojile mina yabo so angeke udliwe umntanakho ngasho umntanakho wena
it's possible
hayi mina ngeke
usho kanje
njalo
Okay.
hayi le ngabheja mpana hayi
So
ngeke
so with you knowing uTwitter kuyintwana yakho, yini advice ongamnikeza yona for ukuthi a stand a chance yokukususa on the day?
no uTwitter angeke ngithi into nami we brothers dog ne
Sure.
we brothers and mina uTwitter ukungisusa kumele uTwitter kuneli tournament e1 kuphela le azongisusa ngayo yabo
Sure.
ukuthi it's a pity ukuthi okay he plays more West Rand and wina ngale West Rand mina I'm playing this side nami ngina ngapho uyangithola
Sure,
so mara ngifuna angithathele i-tournament I wish angithathele ishaka bese then ngaba hip for
Ungaba happy, ne?
ngaba hip for untwana because
Sure.
of ni hard worker dog you know uTwitter ungifanela no disco ungifanela no 2 minutes ngithola
Okay,
yeah 2 minutes itoko the boy is very good
He's very good.
Khuluma ngabantu udlalile ibhola luyamfana luya ngithola
2 minutes kwi Katoras.
Katoras Juventus
Ayiphoza.
yeah and what is good about him that one is a seasonal coach he is not like me and Twitter and Disco that one is a seasonal coach that one always on training always playing league and the stuff so that's why team yakhe jela kanje
Yeah, ne?
iyajela strong so that's why I'm still wishing ukuthi le challenge yami no Twitter bazoba khona but before ama cutting race kube Juventus ne Mazayon
2 minutes.
yeah 2 minutes njengoba ngisho ukuthi le challenge yami no Twitter
Yeah.
ngifuna ama cutting race ne
Okay.
kube Juventus ne Mazayon ngisafuna ukubona leyo game le because those are my favorite coaches with favorite players now both teams
Yeah,
yangithola
yeah.
which is they were upcoming youngsters which is yibo bangamela ikasi the way ngibona ngakhona ngingavaleni nesnack ngaphandle but le two layer makwamanje dokai
Okay.
hayi bray mina ngihip mangibukele bona enjoy football
I'm actually organizing yona limele game yenu le no Mr Brown. So ngizodlula kuye ngive nyana ukuthi can't we take u2 minutes kunye namazayon to also participate kuye le tournament leyana. Even though sizobe i-team yayo kuyi-West versus i-East ngayo le game yakho no Twitter but then sifaka amazayoni sifake no 2 minutes and see ukuthi
yeah no ngegame
Yeah.
lesayifisa leyo yabo.
Uyayifisa like
Ngiyayifisa
I
le
think
game yabo
yeah
le.
ngawo ama-game amakhulu
Yeah,
lawo that could do. Yeah, Mr Brown iza kuwe le bra. Iza kuwe.
so awuthiyami yabona into engifisayo yabo ngiyafisa ukuthi singama ama-organizer ngingathi singama like uBrown wini organizer namanye ama-organizer yabo
Yeah.
babe noma ngathi umthetho or ini ukuthi okay i-team ewinayo ne i-tournament chin let's say bathi i-150 or in T140 iye ku-team i-10 yoku-charity yangithola you know I was watching game kaMamba laphaya ne but not Mamba kuphela chin even noma kudlala umdagasi kudlala ama-biggest team ngadlala iskepe ngadlala ini abantu abangena egroundini
Sure.
intwana encane akusantu abadala most of the time intwana encane
Intwana encane,
and
sure.
then the day thina siwina ama-tournament dog sodla imali dog sishiyala ama-players enze sidla inyuku
Sure.
le ntwana lezakekho umuntu onendaba nazo but izo sigcwala ngala phambili mawuthi yabheza blazo ama-bowlers siyancola kwenzakala ini ezinye basishama ezindlini emayibuyile endlini maybe buyaphi uncole kanjani
Uncole kanjani, sure.
that's why I once bought ama-soccer kit for 8 schools ne masiqeda ukwina i-tournament waStoneville
Okay.
which is it was esikhohlwa lesikole sasephambilitch high school but and you that because ngayizi tournament ngoba sibonke ngabathengela amajezi because I wanted everyone to be a winner
Sure.
yeah sabathengela amajezi badlala ngala majezi lawo i-tournament bese somhlolo ihost yaStoneville isikole sasephambilitch high school mangiyakhohlwa ukuthi yini then waba iDukathol
Okay.
kwaba yiMpontsing kwaba iKatlong high school 4
Okay. Yes.
kuma primary it was Thembalethu it was Abraham Hlophe Matsiriso and sonqoba.
Okay.
And we made it tournament to be successful for same day because you know abantwana abancane badlala 20 minutes yabo yaphela ngena lawo abadala lawo abanye abancane bakhathela ifinal bese bayifanele abadala. It was successful though, given yavela nasephepheni. It was successful because of we felt ukuthi I think we were so greedy. The way we win a tournament as Aston Villa. Aye man, let's give these boys something
Yeah,
year before. Year before sesahamba saya phamhlophe sathenga amathafisi sabasponsor ngamajezi ayi2. As Aston Villa. Because of mfethu akusiyithi. Yabona ithando lentwana lezi basinika lona like elinye ngenye indlela because I once ngisekaslam cabanga sodlala ifana igame ngo4 ngiyava ngeshop ngawuma 11 ngizile shop hlanga nomunye ugogo mfethu bayithula abogogo ngiyababulisa yabo kanjani ugogo ya jukes mntanami njani ngithank grand lo munye athi uye lo thatha abantwana bethu beka masizele shop shit ngiyathola ha kanjani magogo ngiyomsindlala ngo4 yo ngathi uthabisa uhambe la ngo9 athi egroundini icabanga lento anidlani egroundini ngiyangithola the whole day lapha ya ngithola noma bengazela ngaSton Villa kuphela ngabazela ubukela amanye ama club nani ngiyangithola. So but by doing that, going to schools, giving ama soccer kit ukuthi entwana zidlala ibhola noma abanye bengeke bazithola but you doing something ngilanga amandla azoba khona zonke ikolo ziwathola ngiyangithola because I think ukuthi alikhi player engathi uyalisebenzisa zange lifunde primary leyo one day uzangisebenzela iplayer ebedlala ngejezi lithengwa Aston Villa ngiyangithola ikhulile from lesikolo leso for example usifama lo lona he was part of the tournament bekadlala kule tournament le Aston Villa besiyenza if because I still have photos here ngiyangithola adlala eKwaDuka because wafunde eKwaDuka so he was part of that tournament. We need to go to at least see promote lento le because when fethu lento azalithanda ibhola mina bengise the ground ngibukele imambas mayikora ngibona intwana encane eziningi ngithi I wish chairman uyayibona lento le whoever organize disco ubhekilanga they must see this thing. Let's not think for ourselves ukuthi swini tournament so ba grand asingafuni ukuvuka ngebhola sisevuka ngebhola sikasika lento lesi because yizo ezisupportayo angazi ingake sithunywayo lapha emakhaya nami ngilandela amangkhela amanzi but mase swini tournament no one is coming back athi nami udala usikhela amanzi wena sakhohla sama shaya imoto seSoweto umunye uhamba eDavidton umunye kuphi uyangithola lentwana zobuya nini futhi mhlazana udlala i-tournament ziyeza futhi zila vivi but not they asitholanga next ayeke sisigayi zonke but something encane yangithola ukuthi intwana nazo zikhuthale futhi sikhona ukudlala ibhola nazo sifuna ukuzibona zidlala i-ground sifuna ukuzibona zidlala eSomhlolo sifuna ukuzibona zidlala eSoweto kuphi kuBrandfontein kuphi nazo sifuna ukubona zidlala ama-tournament amakhulu yangithola but kanje izowenza kanjani because of sesibonisa manje ukuthi sasivalela thina ukuthi yazini kuyafana thina sihlala support ibhola mara isikane amajezi zidlala ibhola ngithola igele brand ngikhoza ama team maningi la kasinyokhulu gama wonke lama team lawo amajezi nani but ibhola liqala esikolweni yonke into iqala esikolweni dog bese nizele lokushini then intwana zakhula sithola thina umjakajaka then uyangithola we pushing it forward sibona intwana iphelela kuphi. So ilento le ngifriza ebajiteni aba-organizer because mina I can't be an organizer but abo Brown I think they can do it better.
They
can do it better. Abo Prascopo bonke bangayenza ibe ngcono because of abo Jemba because lento le maybe mina kude mina ngicabanga khona ukuthi mina ngizenza ngcono or ngicabanga ukuthi ngihlakaniphile yangithola but ilento engiyibonayo ukuthi asivusanini singavusa thina kuphela sivusene intwana yangithola sivuke lentwana lezi like i-tournament akibe recognized mangazi sithole ku-tournament ka-Brown ngo-58 ngithola ijezi lesikolo yabona wesiphathi uBrown udlala esikolweni i-tournament akidlala esikolweni wesiphathi uyayibona into le ngithola i-tournament i-team iwinile abafethu okay sharp hayi ke nayo imali le so donate isigele nayo ijezi le hot 58 tournament na lidlale ngalo uyayithola into is
Yeah.
something else though.
No, it
Uyayithola.
makes
There is a
sense.
players
It makes
ezovuka
sense.
lapho
It makes
ezovuka lapho kune players ezovuka lapho kule sikolo leso
Yeah.
ezodlala ngale jezi lelo
Uyabona?
Uyakuthola. So last I was proud ndoda ngibona ngidlule eMsidiki idlala iK1 neMponseng bekwadlala ngamajezi asponsor yithi Astonville uyangithola
Yes.
which is ngiyabona ukuthi abafithi at least
Yeah,
yabona
sisipali,
at least
sisipali.
noma ngathi wasengihleli ngiyabona
Yeah.
at least
You can look back and
abafethu
then
yangithola
iziqhamu zakho uyazibona, sure.
mina ngiyenze ngoba angazi abafethu because abashita abasase desperate for a win phela that time engiyenza mina bengasekho desperate for a win because of sengibona mfethu sekubu greedy lobu hayi kunini iswini
Win
asike
kakhulu.
sithi yangithola sibambisa intwana sibe
Yeah.
grand senze
Yeah.
tournament nyana yangithola because sesabiza uHlono Nonyani he was captain of Wits at that time Sibuso Khumalo was playing for Sundowns that time unjubani wes3 I think uTebotlolani wafika something like the but abachita bakhona ngithola bazosupporta leyo tournament leyo
Sure,
which is a good thing talk ngithola
Yeah.
so mama I hope we gonna grow in
Yeah,
football,
vele,
gonna grow
vele
because of-
so cool.
because of thina manje ngiyabona ukuthi sesibheke ukuthi hey masingawini imali nje kuphela yo si on kunelinye player masiqedwe ukuthatha i-tournament yase Dexter shooting ibhadala abajita onye abagaya ngithi abafithi ayi thathani intonyana zamakhulu inyana intwana engidlala ngayo engaka ethwini ngigaya imali elingana neyabo abalwa abajita hayi ngithi hayi bafithi lentona le ithwini inethwini nayo le mali nje uyishakane khona ubhutwana and enye imali esele emini ngigaye yona ngiyithengela ama-cox kahlala ngiyibhadala lentona le and ngizoyikhapha endlini ngibayitshele endlini ukuthi ngigaye imali engaka
Ngigaya
ukuthi
imali.
ikhere esikolweni ngiyithengela ama-cox
Danke coach,
Uyangithola,
danke
Thabo.
coach, danke
Yeah.
coach. So asifake ifanyana kancane ne. Ngicela ungitshele ngegoal li best okay while witnessed from one of ama players wakho. Ever since uqalile nje game. Libe yi1 goal. Yeah, ungitshele nje ngalo ukuthi bekenzakalani same day and then what happened during nje le moment le goal.
yo goal la mhlophe ayilelo ukuthi manje bebelishawa i-favorite player yami vela yabo
Okay, what's
mamela sibhale ayi besidlala i-final
Sure.
ne Ruby FC
Okay.
eYantasfield Ruby yakora dog yabona yadoma inkundla yacama lisuke center
Sure.
kunenye out bathu uThabiso Mabophe sijeke amajeke hayi lo
Which is number 1.
just number 2
Sure.
lo sijeke iyasuke center thiyame yona nosibula amaloya ntanga yabona le goal la dog badlale ibhola bay 2 bay 3
Sure.
because balidlalile balishiya bahamba boy 2 cha abazange ile team lethinta ibhola eRuby ne net 1-1 basa celebrate lapha uyazi kuvimba abantu lapha
Yeah.
kulona kuRuby vimba bavuma iKaizer Chiefs emuva kunika iKaizer Chiefs
Yo.
before badlala iKaizer Chiefs
Yeah.
yacaba le game leya ngasho kade lo Thabisi yasibhola lo sijeke awuthamba lo sijeke mfethu mina uthamba uzongidla hayi uzongidlela ubunzima nginale yatho
Sure. Aisha Machita.
lo sijeke hayi le goal la mfethu hayi yilo goal engasho ukuthi elifini hayi
Yeah.
goal likela ngenza ngaba happy
Yeah, bekunini,
even though
bekunini.
maningi ama goal abajita abawakorile yangithola
yeah, ngifune one,
antwembu
just
leli
one.
one la ngenza ukuthi
Leli
yo
one.
hayi mfethu hayi
So, what's your favorite formation to play and why you want to formation there?
mfethu mina ngisithandela i-4-2-3-1 yabo
Okay.
normally I like to use anchor I2 yangithola
Okay.
then 2 speed wing backs then those other winger wambe sazodlala azokhatha in then you add number la phakathi yangithola
Yeah.
so then number 10 wam always add ilona i forward man striker sam so is very simple for me because of even if wing back one mahambili,
Sure.
this one nama enkhayithu ngakho one will cut on the right.
Yeah.
Sisine covers right. Ngithola. If ungali ulambile ukhathela ukhavela ngale ngaka left.
Yeah.
Still we still have somebody licensed at the back sase grand ngithola.
Okay, okay.
The formation le hiyo even also keep ama secret manje.
Ngiyabona. Ngiyabona
The formation
ukuthi
in time we Spanish apart now it depends ukuthi what kind of players do you have.
Do you have ngaleso sikhathi?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ukuthi
Okay.
ingakusebenzela na. Because there akhona ama player khona ukuthi ay master leyo formation leyo ukuthi ay master la ngithola. Then you find out ukuthi we play that formation we've got two cheating players. Mina ngithanda ukudlala kanjalo ke. Nama kube nama player two cheater. One wing on the left, one wing on the right. They cheated, they just stayed, they don't even come back.
Okay.
But yeah, because I've got those two anchors, I'm told we're gonna win the ball. Then the ball masulwina. Going gula machita la. Wachita la wethu la waya. No monga yazumdlule, uzokuchisa kancane. Ngithola bese wing back wena. Uzokuchisa kancane akuyeke. Once lafa kwesifaka kuye lapha.
Okay.
Ngule lanto abha kumamba kanjalo.
Yeah.
Sister Monica on the top, Neymar on the top, Blackberry number 10. Then ngiyangithola bengibashangana into angitshela hayi nanibuyi so bazibuza ukuthi yena abantu laba ndoda hey adla basidla kanjani
Okay.
hayi ngisithulele bese nginolodi up front lapha yangithola ukuthi hey beyayi lapha yamfithe le formation leyo dog mina yiyo vele ay
Okay.
engifoster na mara sometimes ngiyayichange
Ngiyayichange sometimes, yeah.
ngokudlala nga3 at the back nje ngithola ya depend ukuthi game kanjani because of ama coach as coach ngofana mina ngicoach game mayicala ngicoach game second half first half.
I wanted to ask vele ukuthi do you prepare for a game before iqala and or do you adapt a game in mase iphakathi vele sewubona ukuthi opponent yakho ime kanjani?
Opponent ihamba kanjani
Yeah.
you can hayi ngiyafuna le coaches uthi unless if
Upreparela.
ubukela ama video
Yeah.
nama video le opponent then bese uthi
You
ukuthi hayi
touch.
labantu badlala kanje mina bathi ngifake line up mina ngivele ngamotivate abathi amani odlala nize shoot abascore ngishintsha nqa
Meantime usabheka igame.
yeah mina ngisabheka ukuthi badlala
Sure,
kanjani
sure.
then mangibuya ke then nayi sharp ngiyayenzela abanye story mara bayashe hayi mfethu hey
Okay.
as the team le ngiyayithanda mara manje ngiyafavors manje
Thank you, coach.
sharp yasekasila ngiyafavor
Okay.
abajita bakora igoal ne net final ngiyacanga igame yokuqala igame yami yokuqala kuna final ku final 5 ku final I mean
Yeah.
5 goals ku final ngidlala ne zone 3
Okay.
but what ithi masekaslam ngakhohlwa ne bayakora ngiyajika kuma fans wabo bajabulile bashayelizana ile sekaslam bayacula ngicula nabo yazi mangi10 score soku 1-1
Izakho.
ezami so just wakho
Ziyamosha izakho.
oh la ithi ngihlala phansi crane ngithi 2-1 3 4 5 so wena 5-2
Sekunjalo.
final 5-2
Yo.
Team yasekaslam kanje ngithi hayi ukho grand yangithola
Sure.
the next following year ubheka ukuthi kwenzakalani sathi what final futhi nabo
Okay.
sathi 1 sathi 2 athi amseke zajika izinto kula ngabona khona kathi ayazi ibhola ngcono iliyeke
Yeah.
awu awuthi ami okay bayathola ipenalty engayazi bayathola kanjani ipenalty yabo abanika okay linye igoal yoba iheader oba i2-2 ne
Sure.
sharp sathi ma penalty hayi ma penalty ngikhohle ngahlaba ama penalty ngiyakuhlaba ngidlala
Udlala
nawo
penalty, okay.
awusishama penalty ba missed ma score swinile last penalty GMM nomphuthi awuthiyami alithi net mina ngiya celebrate bangicelebrate azibathini hayi retake bengiqala ubona retake ye goal goalkeeper to phuma epalini ngathi and say retake asay missed then if is on 3 wina kanjalo
Yo.
namhlanje ngihlala ngisho ukuthi akusiwin for mina
Akusiwin for
Hayi,
wena.
hayi, for
yeah.
mina akusiwin abawina
So in a way yakugolota zone 3 osewaxola.
angithi ngingazibhadala njengoba ngitshela ukuthi 2020
Yeah.
last year futhi
Yeah.
nge6
Yeah, oh ina uzibhadala
ya
khona.
ngisibhadala khona vele ngithi hayi bese nenzi because of yazi le game le yabanjani because le bese ifake nama organizer ama tournament because of yazi benjani njami i-team bewina lapha beyodlala i-Mayors Cup yakamzondile emasini ne
Okay, sure.
ngidlalile 2018 bengidle yona i-Ruby which is 2017
Okay.
ne
Yes.
ngayidlala 2018 ngayidlala 2019 bengidle ini izone 3 ne
Sure.
ngabe ngibadle manje njengoba bangiropa ngepenalty ya bengiyebuyela futhi kwes3 ku-Mayors Cup 2020
Sure.
so uNkulunkulu ngoba mkhulu 2020 or 2021 uNkulunkulu ngoba mkhulu bayiwinile ne wabona uNkulunkulu watamtana bamrobhile la walethi covid wathi covid azange saba khona iMayors Cup yaphela kanjalo azange zontrisa edlala iMayors Cup
Sure.
so ngidlala iMayors Cup way2 in a row ngilandelana uchairman wangilanda straight organize tournament wathi Jukes Mahome ndoda ufuna lapha abathi neteam e1 Esprit ehlaliza kuMayors Cup akuze kubuze yenye edifferent ngathi akunandaba now involved kule luzama akunandaba angithi bawunile isifile akunandaba involved yabona osuwina ngakhona wina ukuthi abantu nawo abasathandi so
hayi coach
abona but mina uthi amayi I wish mina njalo yabona ngisasho namanje I wish ukuthi izone 3 angiphakamisa amasokisi ngithola ngiyanconyo leya
Yeah.
angikufila ngathi engathi lezi ngasicoach esikhathi but hayi izibani itaya ngeke yabo
Yeah.
leza mfethu uyabona le team le yani support yakhona ntoko support yakhona like it's touching me ngithola because abajita bayaphuma ekasi ngithola bese kufana nani nabajita baseKaslam like bahlala nami around mina leza izingwenya ke leza mamela leza asifavor iclub engicoach asifavor mina leza zikutshela kahle maya kumamba samba nawo maya kuphe samba nasifuna thina sifavor wena ngithola izingwenya leza hayi mamela leza sikaslam hayi so abantu abanjalo bafuna ukuba obayenza babe happy ngithola so ukwenza umuntu onjalo happy ukuwina ama tournament ngithola leswini abona just le tournament yala le ngathi nyana so le tournament yase Dexter le ngiwinile
sure
Dog bobo chita be wa happy ngenye indlela ngiyangithola because of it's a new team Arieng ngiyangithola which is owned by me sponsored by Mpomashile from Alex owner Arieng VIP launch and Hotman ilingithola vele Hotman ngithi ngirelaxile ngithi I mean ibhola mana yangisale yathi indoda you don't have to retire baba reload dog
retire
sure you need to reload shota ngani awungenze izinto zabalwela mjita lwayo shothi yonke into uyenze like ngathi yo ngiyangithola ngamba this guy is meaning business ngiyangithola so now I'm building Yaring na Yaring lenye nginokuthi ngikhompyutha nabantu nongithatha isikhathi sami ukuthi ngijaha ngabe ngenile ground manje hayi ufuna ukukhopha nabantu relax because I've got nothing to prove ngiyangithola ngizodlala ama tournament mina engifuna ukwadlala ngiyangithola engizothi hayi abana manje ngisho ngizovanga udlala izamazama vele ngizovanga udlala izamazama ngayo Aring shaka ngiphume la ekasi la ngifuna isikhopha lana hayi mangunile ekasi indoda ngifila ngathi vela ngunanga next ba right abafethu ezilongo disco lokho abaphethe uyangithola uBrown naye abaphathe lo la baphathane la yabona iVultures ngifikile iVultures nayo uyangithola yebo kokune team ezayo ngayizange nginto bathini bona ngiyangithola abajita baloko babambane bona bawine babadlane yani lapho mina ngisangena ngilegend yabo mina ngisazingena mina semine ngibalwele izimpi ezinkulu la ngaphandle uyangithola ngidlala uMasowethu Randfontein uyangithola ngiphume nje uma Davidton Tsakana even Limpopo if I have to go ngizoyi ngithola le la ekasi hayi ngizozama ngabe vele hayi okay into ma tournament workouting ngisupport abajita disco aningifakeni lapho eJemba aningifakeni lapho ngiyathola because of into engayifuni ukuthi ngizojoin i-tournament ngizodlala i-tournament akhona nginomamba ngiyangithola ngapha kune Aston Villa ngapha kune Overland like ama team ukuthi ngisipane kuwo like
awufuni
ukukhompyutha ngifuna ukukhompyutha nabantu abanjalo hayi
ngifuna no it makes sense no coach no sis approach conclusion like sesiyayivala basically ene thanking ukuthi singenile na ku Aring because beso kukhuluma ngayo kancane ukuthi kahle come on ngale team le
le team le mfethu le team le yale yes Aring mfethu mina ngibonga le uMphomashile dog that guy he's gonna be I'm not best chairman
Yeah.
because of his goals mangikhuluma naye ayi ngiyeza lo muntu unenye igoli enzima blind
For a team.
yeah, for a team yangithola so Arieng is going to be the big brand.
Sure.
And he's willing even to host the tournament manje Alex yangithola because of his based Alex yena but sponsoring me mina ngila eKatoho yangithola.
Yeah.
So ufuna uzohost i-tournament which is maybe zabe under Arieng.
Okay.
But if mayizoba under Arieng mina I will not participate ku tournament enjalo because of I can't play tournament sponsored by chairman no there's no way.
Yeah.
Ngithola because of if mawinile sizoba nenkulumo ukuthi vele angithi i-team yabo ivele kumele winwe yibo ngiyangithola that's why namanje abona like nokufila ngisabe nyana kancane ukuthi esana iPrime uDisco inohost tournament faka i-team yayo abantu bazothini ngithola because of ayibanjela le team yazwinela no lento azazwinela but kuzoba nenkulumo ukuthi hayi ya uDisco faka i-team yakho vele yikho kuwine yona
Yeah, so uyayishashaya
yeah
ngapha.
but into leza
Ziyadlala,
izadlala
baby.
izantwana
Ziyadlala,
lezamfethu
ziyadlala.
zidlala nto uzofisa ukuthi ngabe ngineyinuku yo ngabe ngithatha intwana ngizithatha ngizise kuphi kuphi yangithola
Sometimes i-danger yokuparticipate kwi-tournament oyi-organizayo. It's because once wayiwina, it's gonna be like,
vele uyayithola into le izoba vele and uke wayiwina and futhi ucishe futhi kwezi bayiphinda
uyabona?
yabo
Yeah. So okay, thank you coach ne. So yini vele kumele silindele from i-team lakho i-Arieng kuye lo 2025 ene from wena as a coach?
Chama I think i-Arieng njobe saceda ukuvuka kanje yabo.
Sure.
Ayina pressure i-Arieng is on its own and the coach akana pressure because njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ayekho umuntu omele improve the point
Sure.
ukuthi mina ngubani
Yeah, thank you coach.
so i-Arieng is going to represent yangithola ikasi ngithola and I'm building it ukuthi ibe inkulu and I'm sure izoba inkulu njengamanye ama-team awacoachile amakhulu uyangithola so via chairman yami uMphumashile with his brain I think we going far we're gonna go far because of that guy he knows football, he played football I think he was playing for Mara City and he knows football whereby akanceni like ukuthi ngazi ngabe kanjani ukuthi whenever I talk to him about ukuthi chairman can we do this senze so akaphikisa umsebenzi because of he knows he believes in me that guy so I also believe in him because of namanje he's planning to kwenza i-tournament i-Arieng VIP launch not Arieng as in AFC because he's got his own place le bathi Arieng launch Alex yangithola so ufuna ukwenza i-tournament Alex is going to be a big tournament yangithola so abajita babayilindele izovela i-poster ngasikudala uchairman usasebhizi ngayo sa plan mfowethu ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani because yena uyafuna ukuyenza because of uyacabanga ukuthi ikasi lakhe Alex ngathi akusana ama tournament because of after imamani Phiri ingasekho kanje ucabanga ukuthi anga try ukuphakamisa iAlex yangithola so uthi uzoyenza i-tournament ngara mara Arieng talk mamela hayi Arieng iza ngenye into ntanga iza ngenye into ntanga iza ngenye into nge-leadership yami ntona is gonna bring a bang yangithola is gonna bring a bang because of yacava i-team ne mawicala phansi akholula ne but if you got someone who's got similar brain with you it's very simple it's very simple ngayenzela example ngebathini bona bathini bona is coming from Iscathulo it's a new team but if you watch that team ngacabanga the team le yakudala yangithola ngathi yakudala because of the players there talk they've got matured young players there they've got the best coach motivator, which is uTlogi, uyabo Mtlogeleng. So manje mawuyibheka le team ngiyekusho ukuthi le team le ayikabi na 6 months or 8 months nonyaka akawuyinzi.
Okay.
Ngithola mara inkulu, so iyari nayo is gonna be like that talk nayo, because of njengoba ngishilo ukuthi I've got someone we've got similar brain njengami. It's gonna be very simple ukuthi ikhule ibe inkulu, and I'm not willing ukuthi ngibulala ama team wabanye abantu. No, I wanna build a team le, because chairman is got a goal yokuthi you wanna even buy status.
Okay. Yeah.
You wanna buy status. I don't know where, but that guy, he's got connections. He can do that. I believe he can do that.
Okay.
So into kanjalo Tham, but angeke ngikhuluma into ezibhanga Rian because manje asikakayenzi next.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
yeah, but
Yeah, mara basimele ukubhayo
hey,
kuveza
something
kahle.
big is coming. Something big is
Yeah,
coming.
ne.
Something big is coming.
And especially with you involved,
Ah,
I
yeah,
bet
Baba,
there's great
ngitshelile
things
kathi-
Amachita that are going to
ngitshelile
achieve.
Tham, ngitshelile kathi mina ngisano, I'm no longer a coach. I'm a legend.
Legend is
Yeah,
great.
I'm a legend. Baba. I'm the special one, the only one.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
So whenever I touch something, it tends to be a gold. Yeah, it all.
Yes.
So not because of mina ngithi ngintswimba, and I told you ukuthi angazi kwenzaka kanjani, but
Yeah.
yenzakala. But because of bottom of this thing yonke ukuthi mina ngiyazimisela Tham, ngiyangithola mina ngiyazimisela kakhulu, ngiyazimisela kakhulu. Into engiwisha ukuthi amajita ama-team wabo, each and every chairman and they must do good, ngiyangithola. You know, kune group esinayo bathi Hot 58 ne sonke nabo disco kunamajita asesowethu, I can name them babhaya.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola.
Yeah.
Abajita abagrand, like you can learn a lot from abajita lapha egroupini uzwe ukuthi hayi usona. So even though some of them they might not know you, but the group le yasibuilder.
Yeah.
Yasibuilder is
Yeah.
building us,
Yeah,
ngiyangithola,
bona.
because if you're not strong, we're gonna become strong ngale group le.
Ngaleya group ene
Yeah, no,
ziyabuya la.
zabuya doc, zabuya.
Yeah, ziyabuya vele la.
Kunabanye abantu ngazuthi enhle kulobani lo in like ayithola.
Yeah,
Mara
sure.
kunabajita abagrand, ngiyangithola abajita abagrand, namuli ukuthi ama team wabo ayenze grand nawo basucceed babe sharp because of lento football. We having fun, but out of that fun you wanna see ama player wethu going somewhere. Uyayithola. So that with now kusasa ungathi ukhombe ukuthi ayish ngiyangithola ubani wabona ukuyimi, ngiyangithola ubani ukuphi ubhiyimi. Uyayithola.
Yes.
Funeka lento le abashita nje supportanini sibeni grand, like sibambisanini. Ngiyangithola sibambisanini seleni ukhwepha because ukhwepha ngeke usise ndawo, yabo. That's why ngithanda le group le. Hayi
Aziyakhipha la. I like
Aziyakhipha.
ukuthi whatever that's happening in the group in is support amongst one another.
Yeah.
Izwakele.
Yeah. And
Izwakele.
I feel chest rap because your chest rap uzoba inkinga.
Uzoba senkingeni.
Chest rap lapha, chest rap lapha.
Yeah.
Kunenye out lapha izofile ngathi ya chest rap. Yenye bathi unkulu nondangala izoshiza ngathi ya chest
Yo.
rap. Yeah, leza it's like kunabantu like mabakhulumile ivoice note yabo noma uzevuma uspam ke uyimhlonipheni Tham, ngathi umhlonipheni asinani
Yeah.
uspam
Who is-
lela Tham leya iHotman yami leya Tham
Yo.
leya iHotman yami
Hayi, boza leya.
leya ibuya kude ngefootball ya Hotman la
Yeah.
mhlonipheni
Yeah.
Tham.
And we should have him showing.
ikhuluma ngicela ukumbiza
Ngizombiza.
Ngicela ukumbiza.
Nayi invite coach. Ngiyacela uzwa ngani show. Ene ngikhumbula sihlangene somhlolo la. And then afuna ukuthi siyenze le podcast mara siyenzele la egroundini. Kudlala igame. MK, ozoku-interview.
No, ikhotmayeli grele yafethu la uhle
Yeah.
yafethu. Khotmayeli sharp nenye uthasipana nayo Pranati.
Sure.
Yabangama ngisamboni Pranati manje ngoba yasinalo.
Okay.
Mfethu khotmayeli la mfethu. Around lona ufila home, ngiyangithola.
Yeah,
Noma uplome ufila
vele,
home
vele,
mfethu.
yeah.
but makaring around ngamsaba ukuthi hey le Grootman
Enxa ngeke wazi ukuthi come on, like whatever I show you, what is he thinking behind ukuthi mawuphendula kuzoyenzakalani. I le Grootman le.
Yeah.
But that was it from us ne, unless ikhona enye desishiya ngaphandle.
hayi futhi yacanga ukuthi ayikho ntwana mara mina thi ngibonga kubajida baseKaSlam yabo ukuthi abafethu ngiyabonga bonke because ngibabiza omunye ngizuthi angibiza ngegama yabo tshele like I think babize futhi uPeter uJaro uFrankie ngikhuluma ngabantu abasupporta mina yabo 16 masekenti like uThabile umntana seplazini like uMafa Mafioso kunenye wathi uMafa Mafioso belapha kulona kumambasi yami ivekuthana ukuvela ngenyoka yangithola uSeda uRooster Prince yabo abachita abasupporta mina ingavidlala izone 3 ne kunabanye abayithandayo mina mangadlali bafika izone 3 mangidlala mina bakutshela ukuthi hayi supporta wena abona manje arenya azivukele bayeke yonke lento bazela kimi yabo basupporta ini ilayini iariyeng cause iranobani uJukes because lento ngibatshela ukuthi lento le bafethu I'm tired ukuthi nani lokunihamba nisupporta nami nyabo people le yini le man i-tournament mayiwiniwe niyazi ukuthi na something nani utazi nathi soba grand nani nga something nyane ngithola so ibachita ba behind mina kakhulu mfethu ba behind mina kakhulu and manje I'm willing ukuthi kunengoma ethi ngifuna sibe grand nabangani bami ngiyanthola nami ngifuna sibe grand nabo so nabo babe grand ngiyanthola vai support abangayo yo mfethu is very marvelous dog ngiyangithasha blind.
Yeah, ne. So no man, I'd like to give a shout out to ama Grootman ngokuthi akusupport and ayibone vision yakho. We need the support structure enjalo. People that are going to follow you wherever you go. Nama mistakes owayenzayo they stand nawe and make sure ngaba they see through success yakho. So abantu abasosi abadinga ama Grootman cela ningaze niphela amandla ukuthi nixhase le Grootman njengoba asho nayo ukuthi one day everything is gonna be for nina nonke.
Izamazi yazona siyazi ndoda lencane noma ngumamba ngwini tournament lokho encane kunaba fethu asiphakasenze ibrayana
yabona
diplomeni yangithola into enjalo.
So that was it from us leadership insight and ngivane legend vele coach elikhulu coach elenza imali coach elezi izinto ezibukwayo coach elikunikeza ama results and guys he's got ama trophy I25. He's got ama awards we best coach of the tournament I4 and akuphelelanga kayi we still have 2025 we still have 2026 going forward and uqeda ukuvula i-team entsha so I bet ukuthi sizoqala ukuvula enye incwadi ngaye yabo.
I know soyivula.
So just a quick reminder, Leadership Insight is a podcast that's dedicated into giving insight to our aspiring leaders. We invite our politicians, we invite our leaders who are sports njengo coach, we invite our businessmen or our business people, we also invite our community activists ugringa matters that are developing a community. So from me MK and from me coach ngiyabonga Grootman.
Bonga mina my king. Nkosibusisa uthi qhubeka umsebenzi omuhle owenzayo.
Ngicela ningalibala ukusubscribe, ningalibala ukucomment, ningalibala ukushare abafethu, ni-engage kwele conversation ene ningakhohlwa we planning imatch enkulu between iWest ne-East.
Ayize ngimele.